While these few-second visuals are enough to shake human conscience, such scenes have become an everyday phenomenon in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Tanveer Ahmed, a journalist and activist, was dragged on for several meters before being dumped in a police vehicle. Tanveer was on a hunger strike for days and had demanded local authorities to remove Pakistani flags from a public place, failing in which he himself removed the flags. In a secretly filmed video inside his detainee room, Tanveer said that police had brutally beaten him for daring to stand against what was wrong.
पुलिस ने
हाँ जी रोड में मारी है
बाद जीता तो थाने जी
उन्हें रास्ते उठा भी मारने रहे रास्ते भी मारने रहे मुकेशों के मारने रहे और इतना भी जिला इतना लगते हैं इतना भी मारने रहे.
The incident has sparked outrage across the Pakistan-occupied region, and a number of demonstrations have been carried out demanding his release. The protests are gaining momentum, with people from all sections of society joining in. The people say police also arrested the youths who had raised slogans against Pakistan's Prime Minister Imran Khan. Exiled Kashmiri leaders and activists are mulling to hold demonstrations across Europe against police high-handedness, which they say has become a regular phenomenon in the region.
It's high time that the authorities in Pakistan as well as in Muzaffarabad understand and realize the dangers that accompany such acts of terror. If these acts are not remedied, then things may escalate. We are in the process of consultation at the moment to organize a series of demonstrations across the globe to condemn these police excesses. If it is not addressed, then things will escalate and the responsibility would lie on the government of Muzaffarabad as well as the responsible people of Pakistan.
Pakistan's insecurity against Kashmiri activists, both political and social, has manifested in its extrajudicial operations over the years. It has preemptively targeted and suppressed the voices demanding rights and freedom in its illegally occupied regions of POK and Gilgit-Baltistan. Baba Jan is one among the hundreds who have been targeted by Pakistani forces. He has been languishing in jail for years now. Tanveer Ahmed too has joined the same list. Locals fear, even if he is released in some days, the establishment will continue to haunt him for years through its suppressive political instruments.
Tanveer ko